Hello champion, welcome to All in One just for fun. So champion, today we are going to see how to recover our deleted photos and videos from Google Photo. So champion, let's get started. So champion, let's get started. So I am going to show you how can we recover our photos and video. So first of all, you have to click on your Google Photos. So here you can see Google Photos is here. So when you click on Google Photos, so I am going to show you some of the examples. So I just deleted this my photo. So you will see some tabs here. So here you can search your photo that you have, the name of the photos. You can even share your photos with your friends and with your partner. So yeah, even you can see here the option library. So in library you can see your favorite photos, utils, achieve and trash. So in the trash folder you can see our deleted photos. So keep in mind that never ever deleted your photos from the trash folder. If you will be deleted your photos from trash folder, it will be deleted permanently. Even if it will take more than 60 days, so it will automatically deleted from your Google trash folder. So today I am going to tell you how can we recover. So I am going to open my this photo. So here you can see 59 days are remaining until it will delete permanently. So if you want to delete this photo, so you can delete. Otherwise I am going to restore because I want this photo. So I am going to restore. So here you can even restore videos. So I am going to show, I am